Kangoo Jumps. The shoes you see on the screen are considered by some as an innovative breakthrough in the field of aerobics and fitness. The fact is that Kangoo Jump shoes not only help burn calories and tone the body, but also allow you to turn exercise into an exciting and fun game. While walking and jumping in Kangoo Jumps, many muscle groups work. A definite advantage is that no practice or special physical training is required to walk in these shoes. Anyone can spend time with benefit and pleasure with the help of them. Interestingly, the special design reduces loads on the joints, ligaments, and spine, eliminating pain. Interestingly, these shoes appeared on the market a long time ago in the 1990s, but still enjoy great popularity in certain circles. Initially, they were designed to facilitate the training of runners to reduce the impact on the joints. The shoes weigh 1.5 kilograms. You can buy them at a price between $80 to $200 depending on the model. FIDGET Sole Smart Shoe. We are fortunate to live in a time when almost every day more and more new developments appear on the market, designed to simplify life and improve it. We can definitely call the FIDGET Sole Smart Shoe the shoes of the future, as they have a lot of important functions. Anyone who has $600 to buy them can safely forget about tying their laces. The shoes are equipped with a mechanism that automatically squeezes the material to fit the boot optimally. Inside, there are a large number of sensors, which not only analyze the activity and amount of calories burned, but also take into account pronation, supination, correct posture, and even fatigue. All this information will allow you to better control your health and prevent injuries. This is an ultra-light and high-quality shoe, suitable for any time of the year. At sub-zero temperatures, you can turn on the heating system. Once every few weeks you need to charge them, but this process doesn't take more than 90 minutes. Shiftwear sneakers. Shoes are the element of our clothing that allows us to express our individuality. The manufacturers of these sneakers, known as shiftwear, claim that their shoes will allow everyone to express themselves, regardless of their preferences. The fact is that each boot has an integrated screen on the side, on which, using a special mobile application, you can project any image, including moving images. According to the developer, even videos can be shown on the surface of the shoe. The mobile application is connected to the worldwide network, allowing you to share a unique and personalized image on your shoes, as well as using designs from other shiftwear owners. A notable feature of the screen is its flexible design. Although it displays an image in HD quality, it cannot be broken if you try to fold the shoe. The shoe uses electricity to project the image, but the energy produced by walking is used to recharge them. The main charge is wireless. To start charging the shoes, you just need to place them on a special platform that comes with them. It's worth noting that shiftwear sneakers are compatible with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. The company has developed several models of shoes, all of which differ slightly from each other. Orpha Smart. These are unique shoes that do not have any analogs. They differ from other shoes for their technical content, designed to provide a fundamentally new experience when walking or dancing. Nearly hundreds of individually controlled LEDs are mounted on the sole. Their color is configured by a special mobile application, which can be downloaded after purchase. All you need to do to connect is to put on your shoes and touch the ground with your toe a couple of times. The application will allow you to choose a combination of colors from those proposed, or even create your own. There are really many LEDs, which can be lit in a different order and at different speeds. This means that you can customize them in the most unique way, so that no one else has exactly the same shoes. A notable feature is that the movement can be converted into music. A certain melody is assigned to the leg movement and can be changed. Every time the user takes a step, the smartphone plays the specified sound. So with the help of a pair of similar slippers, you can create an improvised orchestra. The Orpha Smart will appeal to dancers in particular, allowing them to create special effects for the stage. You can buy these amazing shoes for $450. Power Lace. The creators of these shoes you see on the screen think that our world is getting better every day. The more advanced appliances, more advanced houses, automobiles, but for some reason, few people are engaged with the production of advanced shoes. Most of their lives, people spend in footwear, and it's time to improve them too. That's how Power Lace slippers were born. Outside, they're virtually no different from any other sports shoe. The secret of uniqueness lies in the technical content. These are shoes that fit optimally to the leg. The wearer doesn't need to bend down and bend constantly to correct the position of the laces. Power Lace is equipped with an innovative system that independently adjusts the shoes under the foot. All you have to do to never tie your shoelaces again is to just adjust their position when you put these shoes on for the first time. From now on, when the slippers are on your feet, they will fit perfectly to them. When the shoe is not on the foot, the laces are loosened so that inserting the foot is as easy and convenient as, for example, in-house slippers. We have already said that Power Lace has a simple and discreet design, but this is definitely an advantage, because not everyone needs fantastic shoes with a futuristic look. Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. A few years ago, Nike showed off its first sports shoes with an electronic adjustment system. It provides a perfect shoe position for the foot. In total, the development took 10 years. When you open the box, you'll see that the kit includes a shoe charger. It connects directly to the boot. This can hardly be considered a disadvantage, as the shoes must be loaded approximately once every 2 weeks. At any convenient time, you can find out the load of the used Nike HyperAdapt 1.0 pair. To do this, press any button and then pay attention to the color the sensor last blinked with. Blue indicates the load is full. The light will flash in the middle if the load is approximately half. And when the shoe needs to be charged, the light turns red. Interestingly, the slippers automatically adjust as soon as the foot is placed inside, and the heel touches the insole. You only need to adjust your shoes for the first time, and then they'll remember the position you chose and return to it each time you wear them. The developers of Nike HyperAdapt 1.0 state that this is just the first step in creating an ultra-comfortable and practical shoe. The cost of these sneakers is around $720. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.